Hey guys, Saad this side from F16 Media LLC. Back with another video. In this video, I have to show you how we are helping duct cleaning businesses generate more leads and appointments, and how you can do it for yourself as well, for your duct, dryer, or chimney cleaning business, even carpet cleaning business. I hope you're doing well. The family is good, the friends are good, the business is good, and the life is good as well. Let's get started. So first thing first, before I share my screen, I want to tell you that, see, any business requires marketing. No matter what you're doing, you need marketing. Yeah, if you have a good PR, if you have a good community, if you have a lot of friends, if you have a lot of mutuals and known people, doesn't really matter. You need marketing in the end. This is how you sustain in the market. And if you do not focus on marketing, you are going to be out of the business very, very soon. So let's get directly into it. This company, first of all, the cost per lead is really high, so you have to hold your seats. What I have to show you that why this company has spent so much money on the ads. Okay, so I'll give you like a whole case study. This is going to be a really long video, and trust me, you're gonna love it, love it, love it. So in this company, we have spent around $170,000 on ads, okay? And their average cost per lead is like $30 per lead. Now, your question would be, why do I need to pay too much for the cost per lead? So listen. It depends on what is your basic cleaning price. We were doing $249 basic cleaning and $199 basic cleaning. And we always recommend do not do $199 or $249, and we recommend start with like $99 basic cleaning inspection, and then you go to their house and then you upsell it and do whatever you're required to do for your business growth. Again, it's all about inspection, because every duct cleaning system has its own criteria. Every home's air quality has its own criteria. It's never the same. The job is never the same. The tools are never the same. Whatever treatment you have to do inside the house is never the same. What I personally preach to the aerotic business owner is that run the ads, bring the maximum amount of leads you can. Do not go after just quality. Work on quantity. Why quantity? I'll tell. In quantity, you get bad and good leads together. When you only work on the specific niche or specific quantity or specific quality, trust me, you are going to get bad quality in that leads too. Why? You also get bad leads in Google. You know, it's never promising that the leads are always going to be the best or really good. No, it's never like that. So for example, this company is having like around $30 per cost per lead. That is the average cost per lead. And they have spent like $170,000, 145. Okay. Divide by, let's say 30, because that's your average cost per lead. We have generated 5,671 leads for this ad spend. Now, conversion rate for this company is really good. They are like approximately closing 50 to 60% of those leads into confirmed appointments. Okay, that is the rough estimate for this company, and they are doing in a competitive area. Now, don't forget, I have mentioned to the company many times, do not do $199 or $249, focus on $99, but they did not want to do that. So if you are looking for the crazy volume, you have like 8-9 trucks, you have killer technicians, the best team, best setters, best secretary, best salesman, go for $99 and see the magic. Your revenue would be 3 times more. They started with us also. We spent $170,000 from scratch, as you can see here. Okay, it's not like that they were working with the other company before and then they came us to. No, it did not happen like that. We did everything from scratch, and they are loving the results. So bottom line, guys, this was one of our clients case study I wanted to show you. Now the question comes at how you can generate leads yourself. See, go to do the job, get testimonials, ask your customers why caught that, and run the ads over Facebook or over Instagram. Okay, and generate leads for yourself. Not rely on Google. Do not rely on Thumbtack. Whatever the Facebook can give you, no other platform can give you. All right. And if you want us to come into your business and help you, go in the description, schedule the call, and we'll see you on the other side. So thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best. Until next time, have a good one. Saad.